With your single mechanical seal assembly, you have a seal carrier, O-rings, a wave spring, and an inner O-ring. There are 2 flush ports located inside the seal carrier that match with your external flush ports on the body. Align those with your bolt holes and install. Once your seal carriers are tight, you can install your body onto the gear case. Tighten your body retaining bolts. Once your body's installed, you can install your seal components. You'll start with your shaft O-ring. Stationary seal with the 3 pins. Align them with the 3 pins on the back side of your body. Rotating seal. Screw adapter and O-rings. Make sure your flats align with the flats of your seal and install. Once you install your product seals, you're ready to install your screws, torque them down, attach the cover, and the seal change will be complete. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.